So I put out a record in September, and I did what I think is the world's shortest, most provincial tour. The entire tour was 3 shows at the Fonda Theater in LA, and I picked the Fonda, A, because I could walk to it from my house, and B, they have these huge, disturbing Hieronymus Bosch murals covering the entire inside of the theater, so it seemed like a good place to do the 3 shows. So this is technically the sort of like hidden secret 4th show. So don't tell anybody. And so we're going to end with this song. Kelly, you can sing this song too. You should come on upstairs. Yeah. Sing the choruses. Hey. It sounds exactly like the beginning of Big Mouth by the Smiths, doesn't it?
Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Oh Lord, if my trouble's so hard. Oh Lord, if my trouble's so hard. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Went down the hill the day, so got happy and stayed all day. Went down the hill the day, so got happy and stayed all day. Oh Lord, and my trouble's so hard. Oh Lord, and my trouble's so hard. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Oh Lord, and my trouble's so hard. Oh Lord, and my trouble's so hard. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Went in the room, didn't stay long. Looked on the bed, brother was dead. I went in the room, didn't stay long. Looked on the bed, brother was dead. Oh, my trouble's so hard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Trouble's so hard. Oh Lord, my trouble's so hard. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Oh Lord, and my trouble's so hard. Oh Lord, and my trouble's so hard. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my troubles but God.
Miss Leanne Bassey, and Darren on harmonica, and Claudia, and Laura Dawn, and Kelly Starr. Thank you all so much for coming down. It's really fun. Thank you.